though. Alright, this is gonna get ugly.
2 to the left.
Yeah, I don't have any ammo or like any a firearm with ammo, so this is all like all on you if it gets ugly.
There's 3.
Alright, who wants a ride? We got room for 1. You guys want to ride? How many are you? 3 of you. Alright, here's the deal. Here's the deal. I got room for 1. So you guys fight to the death, and the last man breathing gets in the back. Go.
Well, we're friends, so... Hey, don't shoot me, we're friends.
You sure he's your friend? You sure?
I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
You don't look like your friend. You look like he was going to wax you.
No, you don't
I was just playing.
Where's that other guy?
I don't know. Why don't you kill the other guy just for the fuck of it? Don't make this a waste of my time.
Hacker, there's a hacker coming to the left. He's teleporting.
That might be lag. Are you in the fucking box up there? Chris Q.
Yeah, he went straight behind the church.
Hacker! I'll kill you, hacker.
Please don't run me over.
You want to ride?
Sorry guys, we need a 4-person. What's up, man? You wanna be friends, man?
You get in the truck. Jump in the back.
Oh, see, now you survived.
Not necessarily. He can still be shot from back there.
Kenny!
Can you ride like this or no?
Yeah, hit X.
Ow,
If you hit X, you can sit in the bag.
Oh no, oh no. Oh, that's so mean.
my buddy just died.
That is so mean.
No.
That was fucked up.
We got room now for 1. The problem resolved itself.
He's my friend.
You gotta let it go, man. You gotta go on without him. Get in the back.
I'm still alive.
You saw him turn on you.
He was gonna shoot you. You know he was gonna turn on you for the fucking pickup truck ride. Alright, sit down in the back. You can't do nothing for him now. I made it easy for you.
I put a banana in your muffler.
You tried to fight the Iron Dragon, and you lost.
I did. We're gonna be back though.
It's a noble effort, though.
Yeah, I know.
We're gonna sing tales of your glory for generations.
Well, make you sound better than what actually happened.
Exactly.
Okay,
You got a guy coming up behind you.
Hello, friends.
I have the car locked. I'm unlocking it. Get in.
That's weird.
You want to ride, dude? Jump in the back.
You kind of startled me. Sorry.
Jump up in there. What are you doing? You want to fight the Iron Dragon too? Just get in the back. You can ride the dragon. You don't have to fight it. But jump in the back. Alright. I tried to be a nice guy. I tried to be a nice guy.
I'm gonna get.
Instead, you get shot in the head.
No more wrenches, by the way.
Oh. He scratched our paint up, I'm not gonna lie.
Must have some rough nails.
He did.
Got charcoal.
I got charcoal. I got 9 charcoal.
I hear a dog getting murdered.
Anybody need a ride? Get in the back. Don't think about it. Just do it. Kill that dog real quick.
I don't have any weapons.
Punch it.
Just punch it to death. We can't kill it with the car. We need the fat for the fuel.
Another guy to the left.
This is the fuck truck. Get in the back.
1 second, I'm looting this guy's stuff. Wow.
Check the shit.
Two animal fat worth. Oh, nothing. Oh, crap.
Sorry, I unlocked it.
Oh,
I thought it was locked. I didn't mean for that guy to get in. That's why I was trying to get him out. Yeah, I was like tapping it to get the car lined up to hit him, so I could hit the turbo booster and just splatter him all over the fucking bumper. I was like, I was tapping it into position. Somebody on stream noticed it.
they just stand right in front of you, letting you do it.
He wasn't. He was looking at the loot bag. I knew he wasn't paying attention. He was too enthralled by whatever that guy had on his body to notice the car was angling up to fucking plow him over. Get in the back. Don't think about it. Just do it.
Don't do it.
Get in the back. Jump up in there.
Over.
I can't, man. You'll kill me. You gotta unlock.
You gotta jump up
Come on,
into the
man.
back.
Look, I'll throw the spear at people attacking you. I could be useful.
It's pretty compelling,
give me a-
actually.
Just give me a chance, man.
Is there anybody else here?
I don't know. I just spawned in, man.
Alright, I'll tell you what. You're gonna get in the back. Get in the back. The first guy we see, you're gonna have to spear him to death to prove your worth. You got that?
Oh, I will.
I'm gonna make you.
Blood shall be on my hands.
I'm gonna make you prove that you're fucking worthy to ride in the fuck truck.
So I'll fuck a guy. You show me the guy, and I'll fuck him.
Oh, I'll find a guy. I'll find a guy for you to fuck.
I'll fuck the shit out of him. Fucking crush his head in like the mountain in the Game of Thrones.
Find him. Looking for a challenger here. We're gonna find you one. Start getting yourself amped up. Whatever pre-gaming you gotta do it now. Because when it happens, it's gonna be fast. attitude, it reminds me of Mr. Rogers a little bit.
What'd you say?
Your attitude and demeanor, it reminds me just like Mr. Rogers.
You know, I was in the war.
You seen some shit?
I've seen some shit. To know I've seen too much.
I'm taking you to the church. We're going to the house of God. And you can show me and God your fucking worthiness.
All right. Alright, fuck boys here. Come on out here.
I'm gonna open the other door. I gotta see this shit.
Something going on in there. Get in the car.
I was trying to get us a better view of this.
Does that guy have a baseball bat? It's like American Gladiators in there.
Yeah, bitch. There was too many of them. Remember my name. You got me.
Congratulations. You've beaten our champion. You've earned yourself a ride in the back. Get in the back.
Yeah.
This time for real.
No, I'm good.
Oh shit, fuel's at 9%.
You're the champion. That means you're in the back now. Then you gotta fight the next guy. That's how it rolls. It's the fuck truck. You're in now. You can't opt out. Get in. It's unlocked.
I'm dropping out of this game.
He ain't dropping out of shit. Get in there and fucking kill him. Get out of the car. You can't drop out of anything, bro. We're dropping you out now.
What did I do?
He's coming out. Lock it.
The car's locked.
Oh, right to the back of the head.
Shoot me, man.
You were the champ.
So,
You didn't live up to your end of the bargain. Now you're dead. You could have died in battle.
get the people.